Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming power and connection mode. Make sure the controller has at least 50% charge and plug in the official USB-C cable. Once done, switch the unit to the target mode, USB, Bluetooth, or 4 GHz dongle, and open the Gamesir app on your device. You need the latest driver and app installed so the device is recognized. Next, enable developer or elevated privileges if prompted. This ensures firmware tools can write to the controller without being blocked. You now update firmware and drivers. Launch the official Gamesir firmware tool and select your exact model so the correct image is applied. Make sure you connect directly to a PC port, avoid hubs, and try both USB 2.0 and USB 3.0 if recognition fails. If the PC reports conflicts, uninstall any third-party controller drivers, then reinstall the Gamesir driver and reboot. Once the firmware write completes, confirm the controller ID appears in the device list and test basic inputs in the app. Finish by calibrating and mapping inputs inside the Gamesir app so buttons and sticks read correctly. If the device remains unresponsive, perform a factory reset using the model-specific button combination and then attempt a clean reflash. Make sure to test with another cable, USB port, or a different host device to isolate whether the problem is controller hardware or host side. If everything fails after these steps, document LEDs, behavior, and serial, then reach out to support with that exact information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.